So basically, जो कि मैंने दिखाया, she was doing. She was very loud first of all. Then she was not articulating what she wants to say, what she wants to present. It was very haywire. कोई इधर से something from here, something from there. Everything was all clubbed and mixed together. That's not how you're going to pitch to your investors. You should be very clear of your thoughts. जैसे कि मैंने बोला, find the 3 W's. Okay. So the next thing that you should keep in mind is present with confidence. Okay. Confidence is something which is very contagious. It goes from founders to founders, investors to investors. It shows कि हाँ, someone should bet on you, someone should listen to you, right? अगर if I am giving you this presentation again, if I don't show you the confidence that I know my thing, I know my work, then why will you listen to me, right? So वो confidence should come out while you are pitching to investors. It should come out via the document that you have prepared. It should come out जब you are presenting to them. So a very good advice that I give to my founders is, once you have the presentation ready, pitch to yourself more than 10 times, 15 times in the mirror. खुद को mirror में देखो, go keep on pitching, keep pitching. तब तक कि जब तक you don't want to invest in yourself, ठीक है? So that gives you a lot of confidence. Okay. Okay, some key things to keep in mind when you are pitching to investors is body language. It should not be very casual that, you know, I'm Saul Altman, you should give me money, I can create things. Well, that's very rare. Okay. We are not Mark Zuckerberg. That's once in a generation. So you should have a confident body language, clear conviction conversation, what you should do, what you are doing, what problem is. Be very clear, be very particular. Nothing to go here from there, just straight to the point and permanent eye contact. If you are pitching in person, then look into their eyes, make them feel confident, make them feel that, you know, whatever you are saying, it has a valid point. A perfect example, I'll show you this. This is a very good video.
It's a cold night and you're at your son's football game. After the first quarter, you realize these bleachers are so cold, my butt is numb. I have the perfect solution, the hot seat. The hot seat is a cushioned stadium seat with a heated base and back. Now, there are cushioned stadium seats available that aren't heated, and heated stadium pads that don't offer back support. The hot seat combines these two elements, providing a portable, cushioned, heated stadium seat with a USB port to charge your mobile device. According to WorldStadiums.com, there are over 73 million outdoor stadium seats in America alone. I'll use the internet, my personal NFL connections, and amateur booster club organizations to sell 2,000 units by year 3, resulting in $120,000 in sales. I need $19K for development, manufacturing, and marketing. Investors can expect a 3x return by year 3. Don't let frost bite your buns. Get the hot seat.
So did you see how perfect he was while pitching to investors, even if he has less than 30 seconds? Whatever business he had in mind, 30 seconds, he was very straight to the point, very confident how to tell what you are selling and what problem you are trying to solve. So this is how your pitch should be. This is just for 30 seconds. Imagine if you create a pitch for just like this for 10 minutes. The impact that it is going to, you know, create on the investors, it's very big. When you speak, when you give a pitch, someone should feel that impact, you know, that I should invest in this. It is going to be something good. That's how you create a good business. Next, a very important thing, when you're creating a pitch from starting, I told you first you have to get your 3 W's covered. The next thing is a story. Okay. For example, a lot of founders, they don't know the story kaise banaye, what should be the story. And I'm just solving a certain problem. How can I create a certain story around it? It's very common. This is very common, right? So this is where what I tell them is connect your personal touch to this. For example, let's say if you're creating something, a business that had a problem which you personally faced. Okay. So when you are creating a pitch for yourself or for your investor, use that story. Okay. You know, I face this problem. This is what happened to me. You know, this is why I created this business and this is how it impacted my, you know, problem. And this is how it is going to change for other people as well. So you have to create your story accordingly. If you do not have a personal story, then create one. Be it, I would not say fake, but create a story that, you know, that sells. Because India may be it television, be it cricket, be it anything, story sells. Okay? If you have story around anything, it will sell. Again, even if the product is not good, the story should be there so that people connect with you. or else Indian Idol आज इतना बड़ा program नहीं बना था, because a majority of the singers, even though they are not good, they have a story behind it and that sense. ठीक है? So how to create that? Two things: emotionally and intellectually. Emotionally, show them the problem, why it matters, what solution you should provide, how that solution is going to impact. And intellectually, if you have any points, for example, X percentage of people in India face this problem. So this is how we are going to impact them. It's X percentage in India have faced this things because of the certain problem. So use that, use stories, use stats. Okay. So let me show you an example. So whatever I'm going to show you or whatever I'm going to teach you here, it's all with example. Nothing that I'm telling you just to, अपने बारे में बड़ा बनने के लिए. No, everything has been proven. So I'll give you an example of this company. Okay, this is Petfolio. Okay, we have hidden the name. You can go and check that. So this Petfolio, but what they did was they came to us in the year 2022. Where they were creating a company that covers everything for pet. For example, from their pet care, from their pet medicines, pet, etc., food, marketplaces, everything combined together. Okay.